Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a neat surprise. I got this Plush Yamper from the official Pokemon store, Pokemon online store. And yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it, I guess unwrap it. Now, I'm actually a father of two corgis. And obviously my favorite Pokemon currently is of course a Yamper. And I was excited when I saw this on the site. So yeah, I quickly ordered it and it came in. So we're gonna take a quick look at this guy. This video is not gonna be very long, but I just do want to show off what I do have here. Alright, looks pretty cute. I really like this little guy. It's actually not really little, it's kind of big. But it's very soft, very plush. Yeah, it looks really neat. I really like the colors on it. And yeah, his ears are kind of not really bendable, but oh, that is definitely a Yamper. Got soft little paws. It's got a nice plump body, kind of like a Vienna sausage. You kind of have to, like, I don't know, rub his fur a bit just to get it all clean and straight. But yeah, it's got a nice plush tail. That's his little corgi-like butt. Here's his Pokemon Center tag. And yeah, here's some more information on the back. Nice plush face, big eyes, little nose. Can't get his ears to go straight though. They kind of curl back. I don't know if that's I guess that's sort of how a Yamper's ears are. For those that are curious, this is the bottom of his feet, his little paws. Yeah, just little round circles underneath. And here's his face. Size comparison, here is the Plush Yamper with a Canada Dry ginger ale can. So, like I said, it's a good size. Here is Yamper alongside my Bigmore Cubone with my cappy hat on top. Obviously the Cubone doesn't come with a cappy hat. I do have a review video on the Cubone itself if you guys want to have a look. Anyways, thanks for watching. This was a quick video, but hope you enjoyed anyways. And definitely pick up a Yamper, because he's cute. Thanks a lot.